Today we will introduce the interface operation and practical operation of 1927 nm laser. Above the operation interface are the laser wavelength selections, which are 1927 nanometers and 1550 nanometers respectively. The operation interface of the two is the same, but the probe needs to be replaced during operation. Below is the size of the graphic, which can be changed by manipulating the arrows. Left adjustment from top to bottom includes point spacing, point dwell time, point interval time, power, and parameter saving. The distance between points is the distance between 2 points. The dwell time is the time a single point stays on the skin. In practical operation, we can adjust it to 0.8 to 1.0. The interval time is the time interval between 2 points. In practical operation, we can adjust it to around 0.2. Next is the power parameter, which can be adjusted to 10 watt 20 watt in our actual operation. Below is the parameter save. After adjusting the parameters, save them and load them in the next operation. The right adjustment from top to bottom includes operation shape, scanning mode, mode selection, energy display, and infrared indicator light. Different shapes can be selected based on the customer's skin. The scanning modes are disorderly scanning and positive scanning, respectively. Under the mode selection, we can normally choose the first mode. The energy display will vary according to the adjustment of our parameters. Under normal circumstances, the infrared indicator light can light up 2 to 3 grids. The button at the bottom is for preparation standby. After adjusting the parameters, click on Prepare and start operating with the foot pedal. We can operate based on the parameters provided in the above figure. Before operation, it is necessary to clean the skin with a tissue dipped in physiological saline. We can not only control it through foot pedals, but also through joystick buttons. When operating, the probe needs to be tightly attached to the skin, and should avoid areas such as eyes and lips. The same area cannot be operated twice in a row to avoid excessive skin damage. We need to adjust parameters in a timely manner based on the customer's skin condition.